You already know that all Russian verbs are classified into two groups. First conjugation, also known as E-type, and second conjugation, also known as E-type. In this video, we'll discuss the second conjugation verbs. You can distinguish them by the endings yat or at in the ani form. Most second conjugation verbs will have an infinitive ending in it, like the verb говорить. Я говорю, ты говоришь, они говорят. Other verbs include любить. Я люблю, ты любишь, они любят. Купить. Куплю, купишь, купят. Поступить. Поступлю, поступишь, поступят. Окончить. Окончу, окончишь, окончат. You may notice that typically second conjugation verbs have the endings u in the ya form, even after a consonant, and yat in the ani form. Also, you've noticed that some of the verbs have an unusual consonant mutation. Don't worry about this for now, we'll discuss it in the next video. While most second conjugation verbs end in it, there is a small group of verbs that end in yet but belongs to the second conjugation. These include смотреть, я смотрю, ты смотришь, они смотрят. Видеть, я вижу, ты видишь, они видят. And сидеть, я сижу, ты сидишь, они сидят. You've also learned that most verbs that end in at or yat belong to the first conjugation. There is, however, a small group of exceptions, and you need to memorize them. One of these verbs is слышать. Don't confuse it with the verb слушать, which belongs to the first conjugation. Я слышу, ты слышишь, он слышит, мы слышим, вы слышите, они слышат. Now, I just mentioned that typically second conjugation verbs take the endings u in the ya form and yat in the ani form. However, here we have a stem ending in a hasher, and so we applied the second five-letter rule, which states that after hashers and se, we never write u or ya, we write u or a instead. Here is another verb in at that belongs to the second conjugation, the verb лежать. Я лежу, ты лежишь, он лежит, мы лежим, вы лежите, они лежат. Once again, this verb has a stem ending in a hasher, so we applied the five-letter rule. And finally, the verb стоять that ends in ять also belongs to the second conjugation. Я стою, ты стоишь, он стоит, мы стоим, вы стоите, они стоят. In the next video, we will talk about consonant mutations in second conjugation verbs.